My friend Rex is in town. We've got one day in each Disney park. Our mission is to do as many attractions as possible, and we'll tally it all up at the end. Today, we're at Magic Kingdom. Let's do this. Before we can get into the park today, we have to get across the Seven Seas Lagoon. We have two options, monorail or ferry. I'm quite partial to the ferry boat for my first entrance of the day in Magic Kingdom, so ferry boat won today and we sailed in on the General Joe Potter. First up, we're going to hop right onto It's a Small World. It's a classic must-do Magic Kingdom ride. We get to travel through different countries of the world while the little dolls sing an earworm of a song. And it was designed by legendary Disney artist Mary Blair. It's so colourful, the art is beautiful, and I love it. Next up is another must-do ride at Magic Kingdom, the Haunted Mansion. It's up for refurbishment right now, so you can't see the outside. It's covered up while they work on it. Did you know that every Haunted Mansion cast member has a bat with a name? We had fun in line asking cast members their bats' names. My favourite was Bat Benatar. She's a heartbreaker. As a certified spooky girl, we had to take a spin on this spooky dark ride through the Haunted Mansion.
Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing a bell.
Onwards to the Country Bear Musical Jamboree Show. This was recently updated, and while I preferred the old show because it was more unhinged, this one's still fun. The bears now sing classic Disney songs and they have sparkly outfits on.
It's a Country Bear Musical Jamboree. He's slapping toe, tapping jubilee. Just don't let it make you cry. Too sad, I can't go home.
Next, we're going in for a classic Disney combo. Dole Whip in the Tiki Room. I grabbed one of these tropical serenade floats from Aloha Isle. It's so good. Pog juice, coconut Dole Whip, and pineapple cake pop. We managed to time getting our Dole Whip perfectly to be able to head right into the show. Magical! Okay, let's go all the way over to the other side of the park for Tomorrowland, to the People Mover. This one seems like such a simple ride, but it's so fun. We love it. You get to take a ride through Tomorrowland, through Space Mountain, Buzz Lightyear's Space Ranger Spin, and there are great views of Tomorrowland and even the castle. Magic Kingdom is open the longest of all the parks, and there's a lot to do, so I don't think we'll make it without a break today, especially as we're on day 3 of back-to-back full theme park days. Our last ride before our midday break is going to be Tiana's Bayou Adventure. This ride was previously Splash Mountain, but it was rethemed to Tiana in June of 2024. The outside part of the line can be pretty brutal on a hot sunny day, but the inside's very cute. You go through Tiana's kitchen and see where she's cooking beignets. On the ride, Tiana's trying to get different bands together for a celebration, and it all ends in a big log flume drop. We're feeling pretty tired and hungry now, so we're going to head out and grab some Waffle House, but we'll be back. It's a couple of hours later, we're back and taking the monorail in this time. We're ready to close this park down. We're headed over to the Pirates of the Caribbean boat ride, where we'll sail through various different pirate scenes featuring Jack Sparrow.
What may I offer for these hearty heads? Everyone an egg layer.
Not lest they be laid golden eggs.
While we were in Adventureland, we stopped by the Swiss Family Treehouse. This is just a walk-through treehouse experience, but it definitely has some fun views of the park and some interesting little treehouse vignettes. We're headed back into Tomorrowland to take a spin on Carousel of Progress. It's such a unique experience. It was conceived for the 1964 New York World's Fair, and the theatre seats move around the different scenes of the show. There's never really any wait for this one since it's pretty high capacity. Certainly some questionable scenes in this, but that kind of adds to the fun of the show.
Across town on one of those new horseless trolleys.
I think it's very romantic you're taking Mother out for Valentine's dinner this evening.
Well, you know what kind of sport I am.
There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, shining at the end of every day.
Our refrigerator holds more food and ice cubes. And thanks to our automatic dishwasher, I don't have to dry the dishes anymore after supper. Gives Rover and me more time to enjoy our evening stroll together. Later, boy.
Your turn, Grandma. Let's switch the image over to the TV so the resident flying ace can show you how it works. Now, it's a little tricky. Just use your game glove to fly behind the other guy and blast him with your laser blaster.
Laser blaster?
While we're in Tomorrowland, we're going to ride the Astro Orbiter. This one said it had a 20-minute wait, but it took us nearly 40 minutes to get on. It's a really slow loading process for this ride. You have to take an elevator to the top, and then the ride loading itself is slow with lots of safety checks. By the time we got to the top, it was dark, and it's definitely cool to ride this one at night and see all the lights over Tomorrowland and Magic Kingdom. Of course, we have to do Space Mountain, so we hopped in line for that. This is a roller coaster completely in the dark. You just can't tell where the track's going to go, so you can't really prepare your body, but it's another fun one. It's getting late now. Some of the crowds have died down, and a lot of people are getting a spot for the fireworks, so the ride times are getting pretty short. We moseyed on over to the Journey of the Little Mermaid. This is a really cute omni-mover ride where you ride in a shell and go through the story of the Little Mermaid. Bright, colourful, lots of catchy songs.
You said something about me that in the past I've been a nasty. They won't kill you when they call me, well, a witch. Princess. A human princess. Well, that's...
Since Winnie the Pooh has a short wait time, we're hustling over there to try and ride it quick before the fireworks start.
If you ask me, he'll never reach that.
The fireworks just started as we hopped off, so we are speed walking over to the People Mover for another classic Disney combo, watching the fireworks on the People Mover. We loved doing this. You can't see as much as if you were on the ground, but we were able to get in a bunch more rides and avoid being squashed in the crowd, so we'll take it. We still haven't done the Jungle Cruise, so we have to make our way through the crowds to go do it. I've never seen the wait time this low before. It seems like a great time to ride. The skipper really makes or breaks the ride here, but luckily we had a wonderful skipper. Lots of funny puns and interactions.
Not something you'd want to find yourself caught up in. We are now entering into the longest of the entire jungle. I wish I could. It's actually taller than all of the other giraffes. Wow. My last 3 boyfriends will take me 1 second.
It's just a little before 11 now, so we're going to head over to Frontierland to settle in for the last showing of Disney Starlight. But, we got news that the show was cancelled. What a bummer. But we're going to pivot and try to get one last ride in before the park closes. We made it over to Pirates with seconds to spare and walked right on the ride. I'd say we squeezed everything we could out of our Magic Kingdom day today, and it's time for our final tally for the 10.5 hours we spent in the park today. We did 1 ferry trip, 3 monorail trips, 1 snack, 1 Waffle House break, 1 fireworks show, 1 cancelled show. We managed to do 16 attractions, 6 before our break and 10 after, and we got in 2 classic Disney combos. There is so much to do at Magic Kingdom that we were never going to be able to do it all in one day, but we're super happy with what we prioritized and got done. What would you have done differently? Did we miss any of your must-do attractions? This was day 3 of our Disney World adventure, so we have just 1 more day to go for this trip. What will we get into in Hollywood Studios? Don't forget to tune in for our last Disney World day. Thanks for checking out our adventures, and we'll see you in the next park.